What's up everybody, Scott of All Trades here. Today I'm doing a video on using tire slime. So I've got my lawnmower here, I need to cut the grass, and I've got 2 flat tires. This tire slime is great if you have tires that are in good condition but they just won't hold the air and they keep leaking down. This particular brand and this type of tire slime says it will patch 1/8 inch punctures in tubes and up to 1/4 inch in a tire. So this stuff's pretty simple to use. I don't know why more people don't use it. It's really good for off-road tires, things, bicycles and bike carts, lawnmowers, ATVs, stuff like that. I wouldn't put this in an on-the-road car because the TSP sensor can sometimes get messed up by it, and it's really slimy if you ever do have to change the tire. But for off-road tires like this lawnmower, it works really good. So the first thing you got to do is let all the air out of the tire. Take the valve cap off. So under the lid on all these tire slime kits comes this little tool, and this is a valve core removal tool. So you take that tool and you fit it up in the valve. Turn it counterclockwise and it'll take the little valve core out. So this is the little valve that keeps the air in the tire. You have to take that out in order to use the slime, because what you do is you shake the slime up and they come with a little tube. So you put the tube on one end of the bottle and you put the tube on the other end of the valve stem, and you just pump it in there. This particular size tire takes 8 ounces of tire slime to properly fill it. So you just put that in, then you take your valve core and you put it back in your tool. Thread it in until it's nice and snug. Then take your air compressor, then turn your air compressor on and fill the tire. So once it's filled with air, then you drive the vehicle around a little bit to let the tire slime fill in all the holes, and it should hold your tire for a pretty long time. I've used this stuff before and patched tires and then never had to touch them again. So if you need to fix a tire, this is how you do it if you got a slow leak.